my name is Rebecca, never Becky, and today I want to get ready with you guys as I do a talk through haul with you guys. Like, I have so much stuff from Sephora, I just couldn't wait to show you guys. Let's go. I'm gonna be starting with Jaclyn Hill, her bling palette from her collection. I really like this color. I'm gonna be using today this as my base color. I'm gonna bring some color into this look today, so I just wanted to show you guys this before I get started into my haul video. I've been wanting to do a haul video with you guys, and I was waiting until I had enough stuff to show you guys. I feel pretty good about the things that I've gotten, so I want to show you that today as I create this look. But we're gonna get into my haul a little bit later, but I want to show you guys how I'm going to be creating this look. It is so gorgeous. I'm going to bring you guys a lot closer into my face. Now that I brought you guys closer, you guys can see how I'm laying this color down. It is so gorgeous. I'm just going to apply this all to my lid as my base start. It is such a pretty color. I'm obsessed with it. I actually have never used this color until now, so probably hints as to why I like it. It's just something I haven't used before, so I really enjoy it. I'm gonna keep adding to my eye to really make this stand out a little bit here. Now I want to make sure I'm covering all of my primer. I have eye primer on, and so I'm making sure that I'm blending out really good. Also covering my primer at the same time. So, you know, if you guys are using eye primer, you should be making sure that's nice and covered and it's an even blend, as you guys can see me do. It's evenly blended. Okay, I'm gonna now add this pop of color. This is so pretty. I like it. It's so light. You guys can see she just comes right in and finished the job for me. Like, I don't even need to do anything else. I mean, I will, but I don't need to if I don't want to. I could stop right here. I'm pretty happy what I'm seeing, but I want to really bring this color out, so I'm going to keep packing. I'm not really blending, as you guys can see. I'm more so packing it onto the eye. That way I can really see this color stand out. I don't want to blend too much, so I'm keeping it in the center of my eye. And I'm going to do the same thing to the next one. We're going to do the same motion to the second eye. I really, really like this color. It's so soft. It's not harsh. It's not like over the top. It's perfect. I really like this look. Keeping it simple. It is so hot, guys. If you guys hear my fan, it's because it's about 106 today in San Diego, and I refuse to record today without some type of freedom and that is my fan. So I do apologize if you guys hear. If not, thank God, because it's a really loud fan, and if you guys don't hear it, that's a blessing, right? I'm gonna go ahead and keep adding some definition. So I'm gonna go in with this really plum purple, and I'm gonna actually skip out of that. I'm gonna go with Boss Lady from my melt palette. I'm gonna go with this color here, guys. I'm gonna just add a little definition right up in here. So now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm gonna go in and smudge at the bottom. You guys know I love to smudge. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that right at the bottom of my eye. Okay guys, I'm back, and now that I'm done clearly doing my makeup, I wanted to show you guys what I received in my Sephora box. Okay guys, let's go into this haul. Start the haul off with some samples that I've received from Sephora. I'm gonna show you guys the Estee Lauder samples that they will send you for free if you guys are with them and you guys are VIP, or if you're just having the card, the VIP card, I think it's called. But this is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be, on this side, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be between these two girls right here, But these are the shades that they do send you, so you can sample out your shade before purchasing if you guys are interested. I'm personally interested in purchasing the double wear, but I'm so happy that I have a chance to go ahead and sample and find my shade before going into Sephora and having to return for my next shade. I hate doing that. I am super big on samples, guys, and let me explain why. I feel like samples are so important because if you are really looking to invest your money into any products, why not sample it first, see how it works on you before purchasing. I feel like I have a lot of people around me that, you know, kind of thumbs down or look down at people that, you know, do samples, and I personally am a girl here for the samples, because when I spend my money, my hard working money on these products, I want to know before I just purchase blindly. So that's just my take on samples. I'm team samples, okay? You want to know, I'm always in, you know, Sephora, Ulta, let me see, let me sample, let me sit with this a few days, because some things are just a big purchase and you just don't want to do it, and come to find out you don't like it, and then you're that girl who's always returning stuff. So personally, I'd rather take samples than constantly be returning things. I'm gonna actually go into perfume. I love perfume, guys. That's like my biggest thing. And I actually have a chance to go, it's called Walk on a Beach. I've never used this one before, but it smells really good. It's very small, it's not a whole lot, clearly a sample, and I would tell you this, it's very light writing, sorry guys, and it's been sitting, so some of the words are gone, but it's called Walk on a Beach. It was sent to me. I think it's such a nice refreshing smell. It honestly reminds me of like floral, like a floral beach. That's what this reminds me of. It's definitely giving me beach vibes, you know, something nice and flowy. So I personally love samples, especially when it's perfume. That is like, give me all the samples, I will take them happily. So I love samples. So if you guys are looking to try certain things out, I would definitely say don't be ashamed of the samples. It's gonna save you in the long run, and maybe that money, because maybe you don't like it, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to Juvia's Place. I did not get this at Sephora. I got this at Ulta, and I just wanted to show you guys, all the things that I'm buying. You know, as my channel is developing, I want to keep you guys in tune of what I'm getting, so you guys can enjoy it yourselves, and you know, maybe you're liking it too. I'm gonna go on to Too Faced Born This Way. Now this is like pretty much from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5 products I got from Sephora, and then everything else I'm kind of like all around. And you know, I told you guys I'm really not big on if something costs a lot it means that it's better. That's not my thing. I buy anything that I feel that works for me. That's how I gauge things that I buy, from Ulta to Sephora. If I like it, I'm buying it. I don't care about anything else. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to Born This Way Concealer. Now I did recently purchase this from Sephora. It is in Mocha, and I really love this because it's very hydrating. It doesn't dry down matte. I have the e.l.f. 24-hour wear, which I love this one as well, but it dries really quickly and it's very matted. So I love the fact that this acts a lot like my Clinique, and as you guys can see, I get a lot, so I'm not regretful of this at all, because I feel like I'm that girl who wants to get the bang for her buck all the time. So with me, I loved Maybelline's concealer for a very long time, simply because it was inexpensive and it was really good. It matched well. I still buy it, but now I know that I'm doing makeup all the time, so now I'm more like, I need more, and I don't want to have a whole bunch of little concealers where I can just get really big ones. So these are like the two that I always reach for. I love them now. I'm totally in love with that. So just so you guys know, I love it. I love it. If you guys are thinking about, you know, Too Faced products or anything, their foundation, thus far I can genuinely say I love their brand. I honestly do. I don't have a problem with them. So I love Too Faced Born This Way. I also picked up another wonderful bottle of the foundation, so that's also something I purchased. I showed you guys not too long ago that I recently got the NARS Natural Radiant. So this is another one that I purchased through Sephora. I love this foundation. It is truly skin-like. Once it's on, it just kind of like marinates in your skin and hugs it. And so for me, I'm keeping it on the list. It was very, now I will say, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is something I would encourage you to get a sample of if you're not 100% sure you want to change your foundation, or if you're really into NARS like that. This is about $55, guys. It's pretty expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but it is worth it. I can't always say that some things are worth it, but this, it's worth it. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to some new palettes, guys. I can't wait to like play with, but I want to show you guys first. I went ahead and got Huda Beauty. It took me forever. I know these are like the thing of the past, no one cares anymore, but I love them. And I honestly seen so many looks with this, I just couldn't wait to create my own. So I just went ahead and purchased 2 of them, and the 2 that I liked was the lilac and the mint. I loved it, and so I got it. That's what happened. We're gonna move on to Melt, guys. This right here, let me just show you guys what it looks like in the inside, because you guys are not gonna believe what I got. And by the way, this is a pretty heavy palette. If you own this palette, you know what I'm talking about. This palette is heavy, guys. Like, I feel like if I close my finger in it, it will completely smash my finger. It's that heavy, but I think it's metals in it. I think they're kind of like magnetized, so that's why it's a little bit on the heavier side. But do you guys see these colors in here? I'm sorry I have the plastic in, but they're magnet. It's like stuck. I'm not even gonna waste my time. I think you guys can see it pretty well. Can you see this beautiful palette? I feel so bad. I'm gonna go back and show you guys the other palettes as well, but I recently purchased this one. It was on sale, and I'm not sure if it's still on sale, but it was on sale through Sephora, and I purchased it. The moment I saw it, I knew I wanted it. I love this palette. Like, listen, hands down, I'm done. Like, I purchased this and I opened it and I looked at the colors and I knew immediately, like, I was not regretful. Sometimes I do have buyer's remorse. With this one, I was like, I can live with this purchase. I can't always say that about all the purchases I've made, but that one I could live with. I'm gonna show you guys the Huda Beauty. I feel bad now, I didn't show you guys. I feel like everyone just seen it so many times that I didn't want to show you guys, and you know, everybody's like, I've seen it already. But for those who probably haven't seen this palette, or these Huda Beauty little palettes, they're not really big ones. Huda Beauty have really big palettes, and these are like their minis. So they're not like their actual palette sizes, but oh my god, guys, look at this. Do you see this girl? Do you see her? She's everything I've ever wanted. Everything. So that's the lilac, my favorite, and you guys know I had to purchase lilac because purple's my favorite color. I love mint green. Oh my goodness, guys, like, if you could only see this in like real life, the prettiest thing I've ever seen. The prettiest. Can you guys see that? I love it, and I can't honestly wait to play with this with you guys. This is just amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and move on though to some lipsticks. I have some lipsticks, actually not lipsticks, that's a lie. I have some lip glosses. Get your words correct, Rebecca. I have some lip glosses that I purchased from Morphe. I was really feeling like I don't have any glosses. I think I only have lipsticks and chapstick. That is like the thing that I do. It's lipsticks and chapstick for me. So I want to show you guys all these pretty colors that I purchased. I purchased these colors because they were the most neutral. It kind of went well over any lipstick I have over. I can put it over it. I can wear it by itself. It will stand on its own. These little bad boys are so pretty. Let me show you guys what they look like in person, because I took everything out of the package because I hate having to unpackage things, and then when I'm looking for it, I'm like trying to tear through the boxes, so I take everything out. But these are the homies. my new best friends. I'm gonna love these forever, especially because I got them on sale. You guys, I'm definitely the girl who's like, is it on sale? I'm coming. So I got these on sale. They weren't even that expensive. I was really happy with that. I'm gonna move on to what else I got from Morphe was, what did I just say? I don't know. I'm gonna move on to my lip pencils that I got from them. I purchased, I'm gonna count them out, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm gonna just show you guys in an abundance of what I got. This is what I purchased with Morphe. All my lip pencils are with Morphe. I will be very honest, guys. I had none. I had no lip pencils. I think I had basically 2 colors. I had one from ColourPop, which is Ella Reese, and then I had from MAC, Chestnut. That was the only lip liners I was working with, and so I went ahead and purchased more for myself because clearly your girl was struggling over here, right? She's always struggling. So this is a baby haul of some things that I wanted to show you guys, and hopefully it helped you, and maybe it'll expand your guys' makeup collection over there. And everything you guys see here, I am absolutely 1000% using. So I'm really excited to start to play with some of these colors and see what else is going on. This will not be a long video, clearly, so I just want to end this video out with you guys. Thank you so much for watching my haul, and hopefully you guys will come back for another makeup tutorial. I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.